Hi there, I'm Ken O'Keefe from the Ultimate Suspension. We're pretty well known for our research and development in suspension systems for the last 45 years. But today, we're going to introduce you to the R&D steps to build a prototype intercooler for the new D-MAX and MUX four-wheel drive. We're working closely with HDi top engineering design crew, and we're going to take you through step by step, right from the beginning, right through the installation of the prototype and right up to the finished job. As with any products, the ultimate result depends on the following factors. Number 1, the design. Number 2, the materials. Number 3, the manufacturing process. Number 4, the R&D and testing. And with 25 years experience in the design of intercooler kits, HDi has the highest reputation for quality, design and performance. So it's no wonder HDi intercoolers are the first choice of any of those that are in the know. The intercooler is so important, and especially in countries' hot climates like Australia and where people are towing or carrying heavy loads. We build a heavy-duty suspension so they can carry the loads, and then we supply the intercooler that we know is going to work and keep the engine running smoothly. Okay, this is the exciting part. As you can see by the quality of the product here, even down to the insignia in the top has been pressed in by a 300-ton press. The lightweight aluminium, the stainless steel brackets. We have special joiners, we have the HDi clamps. This will put together the full kit, and then we can do the fitting, and once fitted, we can then sign off and go into production.